Speaker 1.
I worked part-time all through university at a local supermarket. After I graduated, I applied for a management position at the supermarket because one of the managers had just quit. I was really disappointed when I went in for my interview and the boss told me I was too young to be a manager. I really feel like this was a case of prejudice, not because of my age, but my gender. If we were in a more equal society, I'm certain he would have hired me. But how do I know for sure? Because a few days later, I met the person he hired for the job, a recent university graduate named Ben.
Speaker 2.
I believe gender equality is no longer an important issue in this day and age. After all, women today have the same rights and opportunities as men. They work in all sorts of fields that were once considered only for men. There are women engineers, professors, doctors, judges, astronauts, and world leaders. Some of the greatest achievements in the last century were made by women, from Marie Curie discovering radium to Jane Goodall's animal research. Women have proven that they can do anything men can do, and society now treats men and women as equals.
Speaker 3.
Right now, I'm at university, studying to become an engineer. I'm the first member of my family to go to university, and my parents are really proud of me. However, some of my older relatives have asked why I'm not getting into a type of work more suited to women, like teaching or nursing. I was pretty shocked that they have such old-fashioned views on gender roles. It's the 21st century after all, and I didn't realize that kind of thinking is something that still goes on in this day and age. I guess it's still necessary to go on fighting for women's rights.
Speaker 4.
I put a survey on my website about gender equality in the workplace, and I was shocked when I saw the results. 1 in 5 people, both men and women, prefer to work with men. I found that pretty upsetting, to be honest. And the most disappointing part was that this number was much higher than the number of people who reported that they prefer to work with women. It just goes to show that even though we've come a long way, gender equality is still an important issue. That's why people need to continue to fight inequality.